Come test drive the 2020 Rogue Sport. The Nissan Rogue Sport is a subcompact SUV that provides all the functionality. A smooth ride, lots of cargo room, and a roomy back seat is a recipe for a pleasant traveling experience. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, lane departure warning, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.